Ready to take control of your Stellar Lumens XLM and other digital assets with a crypto wallet that's both powerful and easy to use? Let's dive into Lobstr Wallet, arguably the best option for managing your Stellar-based cryptocurrencies. First, head to your App Store, whether you're on iOS or Android, and search for Lobstr Wallet. Once you find it, tap Install and wait for the download to complete. After installation, open the Lobstr app. You'll be greeted with the option to create a new wallet or import an existing one. For this tutorial, we'll create a new wallet. Tap Create Account now. Lobstr will generate a unique Stellar account for you, complete with a secret key. This key is crucial. Write down your secret key on a piece of paper and store it in a safe place. Never, ever share your secret key with anyone. Lobstr will then ask you to confirm that you saved your secret key. Once you confirm, you'll be prompted to set up a PIN code or enable biometric authentication for easy and secure access. Now, you're inside your Lobstr wallet. From here, you can send and receive XLM, explore other Stellar-based assets, and even trade cryptocurrencies directly within the app. The intuitive interface makes navigating your portfolio a breeze. Lobstr also offers enhanced security features like multi-signature options to further protect your investments. And that's it. You're now set up with Lobstr Wallet, ready to confidently manage your Stellar Lumens and explore the world of Stellar-based digital assets.